Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Java by MK. So today I am going to cover Kafka. Kafka is a messaging service. It is being used nowadays in lots of industries. So if I talk about what is Kafka, so we know that it is an open source distributed streaming system used for stream processing, real-time data pipeline, and data integration at scale. So like you can see that it is being used in the cab location updates, location updates. We use Kafka. So it is like whenever we book a cab, then we used to get every 1 minute the updates of the cab. So that the updates we get using Kafka. It is not possible to use database to store the data and to retrieve the data from database. It is very time consuming operation. So that's why Kafka came into picture. So in food delivery apps also we get every 5 minute updates, every 1 minute updates about the delivery. So in that scenario also Kafka is used. So in other parts like online delivery, uh, real-time messaging services, in all scenarios we are using Kafka. So just you can see this is a Kafka architecture. So Kafka is a basically this you can see this is a cluster. So if I will show one another diagram, see here this is a diagram. uh, okay, so here you can see that this is the Kafka ecosystem which is having ZooKeeper, and this is a Kafka cluster. Okay, so this Kafka cluster is having many brokers. You can see this is the broker. There are two brokers in this diagram. This is the first broker and this is the second broker, and you will see that there are topics inside the broker. So this is topic 1, this is topic 2, this is topic another topic for this broker, like this. And inside the broker, inside the topic, we have multiple partitions. Okay, so all the messages comes under topic is very important. So every time we will create a new topic, and that topic will be created inside the broker, and then that will be delivered to the receiver. So how internally Kafka works is like and this what happens that the sender, this is a sender, and sender publishes all the messages to the Kafka, and receiver is subscribe to the Kafka, and he will get the respective message, depends on the topic. Okay, so suppose this sender has this topic A, like this. In this example you can see this this producer has a topic A, and and this consumer wants to subscribe to topic A. Okay, so in it is all about topics. Okay, so if producer 2 is having the topic B, then that topic will be received by the consumer. Okay, so there are different parts of the parts in the Kafka architecture, like Kafka ecosystem, means including ZooKeeper. So yes, so ZooKeeper is basically a Kafka metadata. Like how many topics are there in the Kafka cluster, how many partitions are there, how many replicas are there, how many brokers are there. All the information we this will get exported to ZooKeeper from Kafka cluster, and all this information can be retrieved from ZooKeeper. Okay, so the first thing what we do, we start the ZooKeeper first, then only we start the Kafka server. Okay, so this is ZooKeeper, and then Kafka cluster also explained. Brokers topics is the topic is very important. Then we have partitions, replicas, like we can there is no scope of fault tolerance, because we can create multiple replicas. And offset is like uh, whenever we start the Kafka, so we it is on us whether we want to start receiving the message from the beginning, or from the time where when the service has started. So that depends on offset. Okay, so how we will install Kafka, we can we will install the Kafka on Windows you can go to Google and you search the Kafka, and from there you can get the Kafka on your local. Okay, and then so I have my Kafka here. See this, I have already downloaded Kafka. So okay, so two parts are important in Kafka. One is this server properties, and another one is ZooKeeper properties. In server, we give the properties related to Kafka server, what port we want to use, what, and in the ZooKeeper we give the properties of the ZooKeeper server. Okay, so coming back to this command, then what we will do, we will discuss Kafka commands and demo in Windows, and then we will build producer application, consumer application, and the live demo of Kafka configuration. Okay, so these are the commands, important commands in to start the ZooKeeper server. Okay, so see what in this is the path, and this is the ZooKeeper properties. As I have told you that for to zip ZooKeeper, ZooKeeper properties plays an important role. Okay, so see this is the command. Once I run this, my ZooKeeper has started. Okay, and this is the to when we need to start the Kafka server. Okay, so this command we are running server.properties. So once we run this, so our ZooKeeper, our Kafka server is now started. Okay, now we will create topics. So what we are going to do, we will create topics. So this is the command to create the topic. Okay, so this is the command. So let's give our name of the topic is first topic. Okay, so this is the bootstrap server 9092, and partition we are giving as 1, replication factor we are giving as 1. Okay, okay, so created topic, first topic. Okay, now we can also describe this topic. Okay, so you can see this, let me write as first topic only, first topic. So see, this is the first topic description that you can see. This is the topic ID, this is the petrol partition count, this is the replication factor. Okay, now next part is this we will publish message in this topic. Okay, so right now our server is started, so we can publish. Okay, so this is the command to publish, and our topic name is first topic. Okay, so now we can give our message here, welcome to. Okay, so we will give message here, welcome to Java. Okay, now we will run the consumer. Okay, we will cover that part in the next topic. So you can give different messages here, like welcome, subscribe,